Hi everyone, today we are unboxing the Plus Audio record player and setting it up. First of all, unbox everything, then mount the dust cover to the two hinges at the back of the speaker. Place the turntable into the speaker base. Plug the white RCA into white and the red RCA into red. Then plug the white power plug into the middle connection. In the turntable box there will be belt, anti-skate, counterweight, felt mat, platter. Mount the belt around the small top pulley and glide around the large black pulley. Place the platter on top, followed by the felt mat. Counterweight on with the numbers facing in. Stylus guard off. Now we are balancing the tone arm by moving the counterweight back and forward until it is balanced and floating with the project line horizontal. Tone arm lifter up. Place the tone arm back in the mount. Hold the back of the counterweight while turning the front clockwise until it reaches 0. Then turn the complete counterweight anti-clockwise to reach 18. Loop the anti-skate through the first groove, then sling through the wire loop. Place a record on. Select input phono. Bring the tone arm across and drop the tone arm lifter. There you have it, the Plus Audio all-in-one record player. Welcome to the family.